Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the various research vacancies, associate vacancies which has been notified by the National Law University Delhi. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. Center for Criminology and Victimology is calling for application in research associate and research assistant, which is which is a project under the National Law University. Number of positions, it is research associate, first one post, stipend would be given 50,000 per month consolidated. For research assistant there are two posts and stipend would be 25,000 per month consolidated. The center is looking to engage 3 full-time research for the project who have skills and experience of working and challenging issues and are also ready to carry out extensive field work in this regard. Duration of assignment, the duration of assignment is initially for 6 months and extendable by 18 months starting immediately. Criteria for selection: research associate, CGPA/percentage, publications, previous work experience of more than 3 years in the field of academic, social, legal research, practitioner, law, excellent drafting skills. Preference will be given to the students with background PhD in law/criminology, sound knowledge of empirical and doctrinal research, resident of Delhi and NCR. For research assistant, the criteria for selection is CGPA percentage, publication, previous work experience of more than 1 year in the field of academic research. Preference will be given to the candidate with law, criminology, psychology background, excellent drafting skills, sound knowledge of empirical research and doctrinal research, and resident of Delhi and NCR. Application process: all the applicants are required to apply by May 10th 2021, that is till 11:59 pm. Application beyond this date and time will not be accepted. The applicants are required to submit their CV, a statement of purpose maximum 400 words, and a writing sample, published, unpublished, sole authorship to ccv@nludelhi.ac.in with the subject as applicable. Application for research associate, status of radicalization in India and explanatory study of prevention and remedies, or application for research assistant, status of radicalization in India and exploratory study of prevention and remedies. Only shortlisted candidates shall be called for an interview. Once selected, the candidate shall be informed of their selection via email. National Law University Delhi is an equal employment opportunity employer. National Law University Delhi reserves the right to not fill any position. Please note that only successful candidate will be contacted and individuals' replies to applicant may not always be possible. Please direct any queries to ccv@nludelhi.ac.in. I am again repeating that you have to submit your CV, a statement of purpose, maximum 400 words, and a writing sample, published, unpublished, sole authorship to ccv@nludelhi.ac.in with the subject as applicable mention. Application for research associate, status of radicalization in India and exploratory study of prevention and remedies, or application for research assistant, status of radicalization in India and exploratory study of prevention and remedies. So this is also again a good opportunity for the law graduates and specifically for the people who have experience in such fields. There are 1 post for research associate and 2 posts for research assistant. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.